Hi there, English learners. Today, we're diving into some questions and answers related to a new employee that help you to ace your everyday English. You repeat after me each question and answer. Let's jump right in.
What's your name?
My name is Misbah.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Pakistan.
What's your previous work experience?
I worked at King Restaurant as an manager for 4 years.
What motivated you to apply for this position?
I was drawn to the company's mission and values, and I see this position as a great opportunity for professional growth.
What skills do you bring to this role?
I have strong communication skills, attention to detail, and experience with computer engineering.
What are your career goals?
My goal is to continue learning and growing in my field, eventually taking on more leadership responsibilities.
How do you handle challenges or difficult situations in the workplace?
I approach challenges with a problem-solving mindset and seek input from colleagues or supervisors where needed.
What do you hope to achieve in your first month on the job?
In my first month, I aim to familiarize myself with the company's culture, processes, and expectations, and start contributing to team projects.
How do you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively?
I prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance, and I use tools like to-do lists and calendars to stay organized.
Can you provide an example of a time when you had to work under pressure?
Sure, at my previous job, there was a tight deadline for a project, and I had to coordinate with multiple teams to ensure timely completion.
How do you handle constructive feedback from supervisors or colleagues?
I welcome constructive feedback as an opportunity for growth and strive to incorporate it into my work.
What do you know about our company?
I've done research on your company's products, services, target market, and recent achievements.
How do you approach building relationships with coworkers?
I believe in open communication and collaboration, and I make an effort to get to know my colleagues both professionally and personally.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths include attention to detail and adaptability, while I'm working on improving my public speaking skills.
How do you stay updated on industry trends and developments?
I regularly read industry publications, attend conferences, and participate in online courses to stay informed.
What's a project you're proud of from your previous job?
I led a team to successfully implement a new software system that improved efficiency and saved the company time and money.
How do you handle conflicts with coworkers?
I believe in addressing conflicts calmly and professionally, and I'm open to compromise and finding mutually beneficial solutions.
Can you give an example of a time when you demonstrated leadership skills?
In a previous role, I took the initiative to mentor a new team member and help them quickly integrate into the team.
How do you define success in your career?
For me, success is achieving goals and making a positive impact, both for the company and in my personal growth and development. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.